Hey everyone, welcome back, and let me show you how you can always allow paste on the iPad. So essentially what you need to do is to find the app, but within the settings app. So if I go to my settings on the iPad, you can see that you might be in the general section by default, but in the left panel and at the bottom we can find the general apps menu. So you can click on the apps in here and just go to that app where you want to allow the paste at all times. In my case, I got the pop-up within the Google Maps, so I'm gonna find this app in the list like this. So as you can see, Google Maps are in here, and at the bottom we can see the paste from other apps. So I'm gonna zoom in on it. This is what it looks like, and the options include ask, which is the case for me right now, but there's also the deny and allow, right? So in my case, whenever I copy something, I still get the pop-up because it always asks me if I want to allow pasting or not. That's because the ask option is selected. But if I want to make sure that it always works, then I click on allow. You can see that this option is now selected, and it just means that it will always basically work. So whatever I copy in other places will be allowed to be pasted into Google Maps. And obviously this applies to this app only, but if you have some more scenarios or places where it happened, then of course make sure to find them in this list, and you'll have the ability to change it for that particular app. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know if it helped you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next uploads.